Hi everyone. Hi guys, am I audible? So shall we start the session? Okay, thank you. Okay, let me start to present my screen. Yeah, thank you for the information. Okay, I hope my screen is visible to everyone. So let's get started with today's session on hands-on robotic process automation and how to implement chatbot. Okay. So before that, have you installed Uipath in your desktop? Guys, if you are done means you can tell. Or else I will teach you how to install. Okay, let me tell you how to install. Any doubts in yesterday's? Okay. Okay, let me tell you how to install UiPath Studio in your desktop. Just open your favorite browser and search for uipath.com. Okay, and then press enter. So this is the official website for UiPath Studio. Okay, okay. Just after doing all these things, just click on try UiPath free, and then click continue to existing organization. And go ahead with sign up with your Google account. Okay, as you can see in the screen, here is the option like download studio. Just click this icon. Just click this option to install UiPath Studio. Okay, installing UiPath Studio is so simple. Okay, okay, thank you. So we done with the installation process. Okay, okay, let me start to implement a hands-on robotic process automation. Before that, if you have any doubts or queries, you can ask regarding RPA. Okay, okay, let me start. So let me start with another device. So guys, am I audible? Okay. So I have opened my Uipath Studio setup. So this is how it looks like. Okay. So this is Uipath Studio Community Edition, free edition. Everyone can use it. Okay. So just go ahead with new process. So if you want to create new process, just click on process. Okay, before that I will tell you, we will be implementing browser automation. Browser automation in the sense, it means we will be opening Google Chrome browser automatically. Okay, okay, let me give it as browser automation. Just give it your project name. Okay. 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 So description is optional, not mandatory. So after creating all these things, just hit create option to create your first robotic process automation. Guys, if you have any doubts in between, you can ask. Okay. Restoring dependencies. It will take some time to restore all the things. Okay. Yeah, workspace is creating. You have to wait. Guys, for every process, it will take few minutes. Okay. Yeah. So we have done. So just click on open my workflow here. Guys, whether my screen is visible? Guys, am I audible? Thank you, guys. Please message. Okay. Okay. So after done with this, just click on open mail workflow. Yeah. So till now, any doubts? Any doubts in creating new robotic process? If you have any doubts, you can ask or put it in chat box. Okay. So we'll start with browser automation. So make sure to select activities panel here, bottom. Okay. Activity panel is to select components. Okay. So here just search for flowchart. And also for every process, we need to start with flowchart. It is big or complex or simple process. First, we have to start with flowchart for every process. Okay. So just double click on it. Yeah. So we done with flowchart. First step. So we have done with first step. And then click double click to view option. Just click on this. Yeah. So we have created start. Oh, okay. Sorry. Uh, okay, let me repeat again. Okay. So after creating new process, visible? Okay, can you give me time? Let me refresh this page. Uh, Guys, really sorry for inconvenience. Now visible. Let me start with new process. Whether UiPath Studio is visible? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, is there any doubts in creating new process? If you have any doubts, you can ask. Let me start with new process. Okay, guys, after creating new process, just click on open main workflow option. Okay, yeah. So we got the open main workflow. This is the workspace. So make sure to select activities panel here to pick up the components. So first we have to start with flowchart. So I have already told for every process, simple or complex process, we need to start with flowchart. Okay, just search for flowchart and double click on it. That's all. So we got the flowchart option. So after this, just double click to view. That's all. So we have done with the first step, just creating start option, flowchart. Okay. So for saving your file, just click on the save icon. That's all. So since we are going to implement browser automation, so just search for open browser in activities panel. Okay. Yeah. So we got the open browser option. Just drag and drop. Just drag this open browser and drop it over here. So we're done with step number 2. That is open browser. And the important thing is we need to connect start node with this open browser. For that, just click on this open browser and press right click and then hit set as start node. Guys, any doubts? So we have done with 2 steps. Step number 1 is start option and step number 2 is open browser. Yes, okay, thank you so much. Okay, just double click to view here. So since we are going to implement browser automation, you can use any browser you want, maybe Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Google Chrome. Okay, so let me use Google Chrome as of now. Okay, so let me search for Flipkart sample thing. Okay, so today we are going to automate Flipkart website. So for that, just copy this URL. Okay, go back to your Uipath Studio. Yeah, so as you can see in the screen, insert URL here. Just click on this and make sure to give double quotes and then paste your URL. That's all. Make sure to give double quotes, okay? So we have done with third step. So in this session, we will be automating Flipkart website. So the robot will automatically open the Flipkart website, will open, okay? So this is what the concepts. Okay. After creating all these things, just go back to your main file. Okay. So make sure to save your file. Just double click on it, or you can save it on your local disk. Okay. Okay. Till now, any doubts? So just we have done with open browser, and we have copied Flipkart website and pasted. Okay, shall I run? Shall I execute this process? Okay, thank you. Okay, for executing this process, as you can see, debug file, just click on this drop down option and hit run file. And just close this. So robot will automatically open the Flipkart website. It will be opening, okay? Yeah, so Flipkart website has been opening. Yeah, so we have done with the first simplest process. Yeah, so Flipkart has been opened. So another thing is like just click on this open browser, and in browser type just choose your browser. Okay, let me select Chrome. Just click on open browser and click on drop down option. If you want to select Internet Explorer, you can select, or Firefox, Edge. As of now, let me select Chrome and just save your file. Okay, let me run. So robot will automatically open. Yeah, so in Google Chrome, it's been done. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so we done with the first step. Okay, first step means first process, simplest process, browser automation. Here's the notification, browser automation. I think some error. Yeah, so this is the error. Make sure to select Chrome browser. Okay, guys, is there any doubts till now? How to automate your browser? Understood? Okay, guys, okay. So let's get started with another process. Next, we will be doing intermediate, okay? This is simple process. Next one, hands-on intermediate process. For that, as usual, click process here, okay? Give it your project name. So next, let me start with Google Form automation, okay? Google Form automation. So just give it as Uipath. Description is no optional, okay? So after creating all these things, just click on create. As I mentioned earlier, it will take some time to create new workspace. Yeah, so we got the open main workflow option. So just go ahead and click on open main workflow. Okay, so guys, we have to start with flowchart. Don't forget that, okay? Search for flowchart and make sure to select activities panel here. Activities is for picking up the components, okay? So just search for flowchart, then just double click on it, double click to view. So just save your file. So before that, we have to create Google form. No, okay. Let me create one Google form. Let me search for Google form here. Yeah, click on go to Google Forms. Okay, let me rename it as RPA workshop. Okay. Okay, we'll start with a name, something like that. Name, short answer. Yeah. So then make sure to select the required option and then add another one, name and then email address. Then institution. Finally, state and number. Okay. 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 Let me share. Just click on the send icon and then copy the link, copy it. Okay, so go back to Uipath Studio. So just close this Flipkart. Okay, the thing is that we will be implementing Google Form automation. So we will be giving name, email ID, institution. So the robot will be going to fill all these things. Okay, in this empty field. That is what the concept. Okay. So for every browser automation, start with open browser. Just drag and drop. Just right click and set as start node. Okay. Here we have to give our Google Form URL. Just paste it over here. Okay, the first step. Okay. So just save. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Any doubts till now? So the details, student details will be filled. No doubts? Okay. So we have done with step number 1. Okay, let me debug the file. As you can see in the screen, notification. Okay, sorry, 1 minute. I forget to select the option, Google Chrome option here. Just click on open browser and select Chrome. Because I'm using Google Chrome, okay? If you are using an Internet Explorer means you can select IE, okay? Let me select Chrome. Oh, let me close this. Okay. Okay, let me run my file. So robot will automatically open. Yeah, so it's been done. Okay, guys, we have done with the first step. We have executed this correctly. So the thing is that we need to, we have to give name, email ID, institution name here. For that, let me tell you, just follow these things. So just search for type into. Okay, type into. Just drag and drop under do activity. Okay, so type into is for typing something. Okay, typing something in this empty field. Yeah, so typing something in this empty field. Okay, let me close this file. Just paste it over here. Okay, since we have to capture a empty field, okay, just click on this indicate element inside browser. Okay, yeah, it's possible. Yeah, you can do certificates, you can implement many certificates, and also you can generate captcha. Yes, sure. And also you can send bulk of messages to everyone, either WhatsApp or email, using this Uipath Studio. Guys, is there any doubts still? Okay, I will tell you how to automate email. Okay, no problem. I will tell you. Yeah, I will be explaining. Like if you want to send bulk messages to your relationship, means you have to create some flow process here, and then you have to execute. So bot will do. Okay, bot will automatically send the messages to everyone. Yeah, so captcha is different, but we have to import the correct captcha in this Uipath Studio so that it could understand. Okay, guys, I will be tell you how to implement captcha, and then how to generate certificates, and then finally how to send bulk messages. Okay. Okay. So as of now, let me start with this Google Form automation. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay. Any doubts till now? Type into is for typing some messages in empty field. That's all. Okay. Okay. Done. Let me start. So just click on indicate element inside browser here. I think 1 minute. Because we have to select these things. Okay. So just click on indicate element inside browser here. Okay, I think it's not capturing. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, robot has been done with this Google form. Okay, now search for type into and drag and drop. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, just drag and drop under do activity. Just indicate element inside browser. I think it's not capturing. Before that, I forget to tell you. Like before that, go to tools. Make sure to enable all the extensions, UiPath extensions. So if you want to enable Chrome, means just click on this Chrome. Okay. So just read all those things and hit OK. Hi guys, I'm back. Guys, make sure to enable UiPath extensions. Okay, go to start. So just now we have created Google Form automation. Just click on this. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let me delete this and run again. I think now you can able to see. Okay. Okay. Okay, the next step is like we have to enable type into. Just drag and drop here. Just click on indicate element inside browser. Oh, 1 minute. Make sure to select these things. Okay. Just click on indicate element inside browser. Yeah. So it's capturing now. So make sure to enable UiPath extension for Chrome. Okay. Just click. That's all. Yeah. So it's been captured. The first empty field has been captured. Okay, so text must be quoted. So here we have to write some text. So instead of name, let me give it as a sample name. Okay, okay, let me give it a sample name. So we done with step number 2, that is name. So after this, we need to capture email ID, institution, state, number, and then finally submit. So for all those things, we need to again implement type into. Just drag and drop again. Okay. The same thing, just click on indicate element inside browser. So, okay. So now capture email ID. Okay. That's all. Just click on it. Okay. Here, instead of email ID, and make sure to give double quotes. Okay. Inside double quotes, let me give sample email ID. Okay. Okay. So again, we need to drag and drop type into. Okay. Just drag and drop type into here. Again, the same step, indicate element inside browser. So now we have to capture institution. Just click on it. That's all. So, as usual, just give double quotes. Inside double quotes, any institution name. So let me give it as ABC institution. Okay. Okay. So again, we need to drag and drop type into. Yeah. So we have 3 empty fields, not or 2 empty fields, state and number. So just same thing, same procedure. Indicate element inside browser. So just capture state. So here, just enter any state. Okay. Okay, the same thing. Just drag and drop another type into. Yeah. So finally, we need to capture number. Okay. Okay, let me give sample number here. Okay, guys. So we have done with this type into. So finally, we have submit icon here. For clicking on the submit icon, we need to use click option. Okay, just search for click. Okay, under mouse, make sure to drag and drop. Okay, under mouse. You can find it under mouse. Just drag and drop click icon. No icon. This is click activity. Okay. So just same thing. Indicate element inside browser. Just Click on the submit. Okay. So we totally done with this. So we have done all the fields. We have done with all the fields. Till now, we have captured all the empty fields like name, email ID, institution, and then state, finally number, and then for clicking option is submit. Yeah, for file uploading, you need to use email. So here are some email activities. These are the activities we are going to use for email automation. Okay. Guys, any doubts? Shall I run the process? Okay. Okay, let me run. Before make sure to save your file. That is important. Just hit run file. So robot will automatically implement all those things. Okay. Yeah. So document has been opening. Yeah, it's been done. It's been filling. Yeah, it's been submitted. That's all, guys. So is there any doubts? Clear? Yeah. So this is intermediate process. Okay. If you have any doubts till now, you can ask. Yeah, I will tell you how to upload file. Okay. Don't worry about that. Okay, guys, any doubts till now? Any doubts in Google Form automation? Okay, thank you so much. If you done with installation process, means you can also implement. Okay, let's go ahead with another process. Have you installed Uipath? Okay, go back to home and then start with new project. So okay, so the third process is something advanced one, like data scraping. Okay, we have to scrape details from the website, and it will be stored in Excel sheet. Okay. Yeah, great. Okay. Give it your project name. So let me give it as data scraping. Data scraping Uipath. Okay. It creates. As usual, open main workflow. It is not necessary. Like okay. 1 minute. Let me start with another process without giving underscore. Yeah. So like underscore is not mandatory. Okay. Okay. So workspace is creating, and also we will be covering like chatbot. We need to implement chatbot using IBM Watson. Okay, guys. So before that, we have to start with flowchart. Just double click on it. Double click to view. Okay. So since we are going to scrape website details, so we will be using URL. So for that, open browser. For URL purpose, you have to implement open browser. So just drag and drop open browser activity here. The same thing, set as start node. Okay. So today we will be scraping the details from Uipath official website. Okay. Like employment details. Okay, just search for UiPath ACME Acme system. Okay, yeah. So after done with this means hit user options. No work items. Okay, just hit work items. So these are the things, employment details. We need to scrape all these things, and these details will be stored under Excel sheet. Okay, automatically without doing. Okay, without manual implementation, robot will be saving all those things under Excel sheet. So there are total 9 columns here. So all the 9 columns will be saved under Excel sheet. You can take any website. If you want to scrape Amazon website means you can implement Amazon. So as of now, let me implement this employment details. Okay. Okay, just go back to home. Okay. Okay, just copy this link. Copy the link here. Okay. The same procedure, inside double quotes, paste it over here. I think yeah. So we have done with this. So the next step is like we need to implement data scraping. Before that, save. So as you can see in the screen, there are multiple options available like data scraping, screen scraping, recording, all these things, UI Explorer. So since we are going to implement data scraping, just click on this data scraping. Okay. So this is what it appears. Okay. So just click on next to proceed with further process. Okay. So here we need to capture the first employment ID. Okay. Just start with first one. Okay. So just it has been asking for whether you have to select multiple rows. Just give it as yes. Yeah. So 1 minute. So we have extracted, I mean a robot has been extracted all those things. Okay. So just click on finish. So for a navigation icon, just click on yes. Just click on the next icon here, navigation icon. That's all. So we need to drag and drop these data scraping under do activity. For that, just copy this activity. Just copy this and just paste it over here. Sorry, here, just click on this and paste. Just delete this, we don't want this. So is there any doubts? Guys, any doubts?
Yeah, hi, I'm back. Am I audible now? Okay, okay. Guys, if you have any doubts till now, you can ask. No doubts? Okay, then let me execute my process. I think it has been asking for a login purpose. 1 minute. Okay, make sure to select Chrome here. Yeah, so just hit save and then execute your file. Yeah, I think robot has been started the execution. Yeah, so really sorry, I forget. Okay then. Let me run it again. Just click run file. Okay, so robot has been executed the first step successfully. So it's still in process. So we have to wait few minutes. Guys, any doubts till now? Okay. Shall we start IBM Watson since we don't have enough time? Tomorrow we will start with email automation and then certificate generation and then finally email automation. Is that okay for you? Yes, bulk message. So today we have done with two hands-on process. The first one is browser automation and the second one is Google Form automation. Is there any doubts? Any doubts in Google Form automation and the browser? Kindly reply, guys. Okay then. Okay, shall we start with IBM Watson?
Okay, am I audible now? Okay. You can give more number of Google Form, like more number of empty fields. Okay. You can create as much you can. Okay. If you want to create 10 plus empty fields, mean it is possible. But you have to follow the same procedure. Type into activity for every empty field. First, you have to create empty field. First of all, you have to create empty field. Okay. Yeah, so first of all, you have to create a Google form. Okay, in that particular form, you need to capture. Okay, capture using type into activity. Okay, now we'll start with IBM Watson. How to develop chatbots using IBM Watson.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, if we haven't captured a particular field, for example, from a Google form, so what will it happen? Like, will it
It won't execute.
remain empty only, or
No, it won't execute.
at all? Like, none of the fields will get filled.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uipath will show some error. Okay. Yeah. So, shall we start with chatbot? Okay. Yeah. So, chatbots or artificial intelligence. So, chatbot means NLP technology. Chatbot uses NLP technology to convey with users. Okay. So, as I told earlier, NLP technologies has two technicals like text to speech and speech to text. So the main thing is that chatbot uses natural language processing to communicate with users. Okay, so the agenda is like a basic concept of IBM Watson and how to create intent and entities, and then simple projects, deploying chatbot into website, and then deploying chatbots into Slack. Finally, some projects. Okay, this is the agenda. Yeah, so I have already said chatbot uses NLP technology to communicate between users and chatbot. Okay. Natural language processing is like a field of artificial intelligence that could be able to understand chatbot language. So under NLP, there are two technologies like a text to speech and speech to text. So we will be implementing speech to text as of now. Okay. So if you want to connect with various platform means it would be possible using this IBM Watson. You can connect with various platforms. Watson speech to text. So in this tutorial, we will be using Watson speech to text. Yeah. So how does chatbot work? So this is the simple architecture diagram. So this is the user as something phrase or sentence like hi or hello. Chatbot could be able to understand and it will automatically reply immediately like hi, good morning or good afternoon like that. So that is what chatbot works. So the main purpose of chatbot is to increase customer engagement, okay, customer experience. So chatbot is mainly used for building business, okay. So together, chatbot and artificial intelligence, we can deploy an intelligent bot. Using this AI and bot, we can deploy intelligent automation here. Yeah, Yeah, so why chatbots are important? To enhance customer experience and to communicate with users. So if you want to deploy any, if you want to create any website, means you can embed your own chatbot here. Yeah, so this is the flow diagram for IBM Watson. IBM Watson gets connected with Watson text to speech, Watson tone analyzer, Watson IoT, and then Watson text to speech, speech to text. So in this tutorial, we will be seeing speech to text and text to speech. Okay. So using IBM Watson, we can create a simple chatbot or complex chatbot, and we can embed into other social media platforms like Slack, Facebook, Twilio, or WhatsApp. Guys, any doubts? This is simplest concept. Okay. So future scope of chatbot is like it would be more bright. Yeah. So voice enabled chatbots. So you may heard about like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Cortana, all these things or comes under voice enabled chatbots, which means you can converse through voice, speech to text. Okay. Yeah. So we will be deploying our chatbot. So in this tutorial, we will be creating simple chatbot and we will be deploying into website and Slack. Okay. Yeah. So this is the preview for website chatbot. This is the Watson assistant. Um, this is the message. Okay, from bot. Yeah, so advantages like automate repetitive task, available 24/7, and then implementation is easy, helps business to stay in the trend. Okay, chatbot is mainly for business purpose. This would be more helpful for business field. Any doubts, or shall we start with hands-on chatbot? Like we will be developing simple chatbot. Okay, okay. So for that, just go to cloud.ibm.com. Okay, just open your favorite browser and search for this website. The first step. Okay. Yeah. So before that, make sure to log in with your Google account. Yeah. So after creating account, okay, let me wait. Yeah. So this is the IBM dashboard, IBM Watson dashboard. Okay. So just click on this navigation icon and select resource list here. The first step is to log in with your account, and the second step is selecting resource list, okay, from the navigation menu. And then select services. Under services, make sure to click Watson Assistant, okay, this thing, Watson Assistant TG. Just click on this. This is the messenger, okay. With this Watson Assistant, we will be implementing Chatbot. We will be developing. So after finishing all those things, just click on Launch Watson Assistant. Any doubts till now? Okay, okay. The first step is to log in with your account, and the second step, resource list. And then third step, under service, you need to select resource. I think 1 minute. Yeah, Watson Assistant. And then finally, you have to launch Watson Assistant. Okay, I have already created some assistant. So for creating new chatbot, just click on Create Assistant. So you can give any name. Let me give it as sample. Okay, sample chatbot. Just hit Create Assistant. Yeah. So any doubts in creating new Watson assistants? Okay, great. Okay, after creating your chatbot assistant name, just go ahead with Add Dialog Skill. Add Dialog Skill. Click on Add Dialog Skill here. Yeah. So this is the dialog skill. So just click on Create New Intent. So dialog skill is for developing chatbots through dialogue. Okay, so as always, we need to start with hi. Just create hi here. Description like hello, and then press enter. And make sure to give example. Add 5 examples here. You should add maximum 5 examples, okay? Unique examples. Hi means, okay, let me add hello here. And then press enter. Yeah, so hello has been created here. Notification. So and then me enter hey. Just press enter. And then hello. Hi. Hi. Okay. Okay, we have done with 5 examples here. Just go back to dialogue skill. So instead of hi, let me give it as greeting. Because always chatbot will be starting from greeting option. Okay. So we're done with greeting option. Greeting option means if we start with hi means chatbot will reply with hi option. Hi or hello. Okay, so here as you can see, Dialogue skill. We need to add new dialogue skill here. Just delete these things. Yeah, so we have created one intent called greeting. Go back to dialogue skill. Yeah, just create dialogue. Yeah, so double click on welcome. Here, give it as welcome here. If assistant recognize. So just now we have created one intent called greetings. So just click on intent here and just search for greetings. Because we have created with greeting. Okay, so assistant should respond in text format. Many options are available like text option, pass image. So let me start with text, simple text. So assistant would say, hello, how can I help you? Assistant in the sense bot, okay, or chatbot. Okay, instead of this, let me change. Okay, so this is a simple text message. Okay, let me save this. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let me try. Okay, let me start with hi. Yeah, so we got the correct output. Hey, welcome. What are you looking for? So assistant solution. Assistant reply. Okay. Okay, let me type hello instead of hi. Hello. Yeah, so we have totally given 5 options, 5 user examples. So hello, hi, and then hey. Okay, let me type hi. I think it couldn't able to respond because this is irrelevant. Because in intents we have given 5 user examples like hello, hey, hi, these things, but we didn't given this option. That's why it's showing like this. So let me type instead of hi. Okay, let me type hi. Yeah, so now it's responding. So totally user example, we have given 5 examples. So we have done with greeting option. If user says hi or hello, chatbot will respond immediately with the solution we have given like yeah, so this is the solution. Chatbot answer. Hey, welcome. What are you looking for? We can also change this, or you want to add image means just search for image and then select image here, and then just search for image link. So let me search for chatbot. Okay. Let me copy the chatbot link as of now. Let me copy this link. Just copy image address and then yeah, instead of image source, just paste it over here. Just control plus V. That's all. I think this is invalid. Okay, 1 minute. Make sure image would be in JPEG and PNG format. Okay, this is also not JPEG format. Let me search for JPEG. I think. Yeah, so PNG image, okay? PNG format would be possible. So just try it. Make sure to clear all these things. Okay, just start with hi. Yeah, so we got the image. So instead of text, we have given image. So we got the correct output here. Is there any doubts in creating dialogue and intent or image, adding image? Understood? Okay, okay. So make sure to give PNG format. Okay, just clear this. Okay. So then let me start with another intent. Let me create another intent. For that, click create intent here. Okay, let me search for. Okay, this is like customer care bot. Okay, so user want to buy something product, some product through online. Okay, so for example, let me give it as product. Okay, just press enter. Yeah, so description is optional. Okay, user example. So user may ask in different kind of things like product, or if you have any things, or if you have any online products like that. So let me give product, product, 5 examples, product, and so intent is like user message is called as intent. Dialogue is for creating bot message. So bot is for dialogue and intent is for user. Okay, the examples enough, I think so. Let me try this. Watson is training, as you can see. Notification. Watson is training. Yeah, before that, we need to create another dialogue. So just click on this and click this 3 option. Add note below. So under this, we need to set condition. So node name is optional. Let me give it as product. Just now we have created. Just give it as product, and then if assistant chatbot recognize. So we need to enter condition. Just click on intent, and just now we have given product. Just click on product. That's all. Okay. So assistant should respond in text format. First, let me give in text. Okay. So we have to enter some text. Okay. Okay. Let me give. Yeah. Latest products are available. What kind of product do you want? That's what kind of. Yeah, that's all. Okay, let me try. Okay, you can also add response type here, image. Okay, let me start with text. Just click on try it. So just clear. Yeah, just start with hi. Okay. Okay, let me ask for product. Yeah, so it's been recognizing. We have got the correct output. Yeah, latest products are available. What kind of product do you want? Okay. So remember, intent is for creating user message and dialogue is for creating chatbot message. Don't confuse. Okay. So in chatbot, we can customize, like we can give multiple options. We can also add image. Okay. Let me try with option. Okay. Option. 1 minute. Okay. So we have to create option. Before that, simple sentence text. Okay. Here under this, click on add response type. So yeah, just click on option here. We can give multiple response. Multiple response is similar to multiple option. You can also add title text like latest product. Okay. And then description is optional. Okay, let me try. Let me clear this. Let me start with hello. Okay, let me search for, let me give products. Yeah, so given the icon, multiple response. One minute. Just clear this. Start with hey or hello. Products. Yeah, so we got the option laptop. Just click on this laptop. It will show like this because we haven't created any user message. Not user message, we haven't created any chatbot message. But we have created laptop as multiple option. So that is what it's showing, empty input. So for laptop, we need to enter some value here. Let me try. Just clear this. Yeah, link is also possible. You can also embed the link. Okay. Link, image, multiple option, everything is possible. Okay. So let me start with hi or hello. The same thing. So let me give products. Yeah, latest product is the topic we have given, and the laptop is like multiple option. I think the same will be repeating. Okay, since we have given laptop option here, we need to create another intent for laptop. So just create intent and then, yeah, give it as laptop and then press enter. Yeah, user example. User may ask in like laptop. I want to buy laptop. I'm excited to purchase laptop. Okay, two examples enough. Or add another one like laptop. Okay, that's all. So let let us go ahead with dialogue. Yeah, so just click on this icon and then select add node below. Okay, we have to set condition. So node name is optional. So let me give it as laptop. Okay. So if assistant recognizes, just click on this. Intent will appear. Just select intent, and then just now we have done with laptop. We have created intent as laptop. Just click on laptop. That's all. So text. Just click on text. Okay, assistant should respond in yeah product yeah laptop is available. That's all. Sorry. Yeah, laptop is available. Okay, let me try. Just refresh and then start with the new conversation. Hi, let me start with hi as of now. Okay, then products. The same thing, products. Okay, just click on laptop. I think it doesn't responding. Like the same is repeating. Okay, no problem. Let me tell you how to resolve this issue. Let me try. Just I have deleted the option. Okay, just type product. Okay, yeah, what kind of product do you want? Okay, let me type laptop. Yeah, laptop is available. So we got the correct output. So if you want to put any URL, embed any URL means you can give it here. Let me search for Flipkart. Let me pick up laptop from here. Okay. Yeah. So let me search. Okay. Let me copy this link. Okay, just add, just delete these things. Just click on add response type. Yeah, just embed your link. Just paste the link here. Okay. 1 minute. Not in this place. We need to embed the link in laptop. Okay, let me try. Just refresh this and start new conversation. Hello. Okay, let me ask for products. Uh, okay, chatbot is asking for what kind of product do you want? As usual, let me type laptop here. Yeah, so this is the link, but we need to copy the link. Okay. Guys, is there any doubts till now? Okay. It's clear? Okay, thank you guys. Okay, so we have done with 3 intent and 3 dialogue. Intent is for developing user skills, and then dialogue is for developing bot. Okay, so greeting, laptop, product. So finally, uh, let me add thank you. So after this, we need to embed the code into our website. Okay, our own website. I will tell you how to embed. Okay, thank you. Okay, description optional. User example. So user may say thank you, goodbye, like that. Okay, let me give thank you, thanks, thank you, thanks, then goodbye. Finally, bye. Okay. Okay, let me add another dialogue skill for thank you. Just go back to dialogue, then just click on this and then click this icon, add note below. No condition set. So we have to add condition. So node name is thanks. Just click on this, click intent, and then just now we have created intent called thank you. Just select this thank you intent. Okay, so assistant should respond in text format. So finally assistant may say like thank you, meet you soon, like that. Thank you. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. Yeah. Thank you. So for example, have a great day. That's all. Okay, let me try. Just refresh and start with new initial conversation. Hey, products. Yeah, what kind of product do you want? Let me search. Let me ask. I want to buy laptop. Yeah. So laptop is available. So this is the link. So let me end the conversation with thank you message. Thanks. Yeah. So we got the correct output from bot. Thank you. Have a great day. So is there any doubts? Sure, I will explain. No problem. Okay. So tomorrow we will be covering how to send bulk messages using Uipath Studio, and then certificate, and then like what email automation. I think so. Okay. Yeah. Whether you have been asking for bot or Uipath. Yeah, it is case sensitive. But 1 minute. Yeah. So intent is for creating users conversation. Dialogue is for creating bot conversation. Okay, let me try with website. Just now we have created. I think this is long conversation. 1 minute. Yeah, this is what we have created just now, sample chatbot. Okay, here is the option, like click on this integration. So as you can see in the screen, integrations available like web chat, and then if you want to add like if you want to integrate into other social media platforms like Slack, Facebook, or WhatsApp, means you can click this. Okay, add integration. So I will tell you how to implement for Slack and then website purpose. Okay, so for website, just click on integrate web chat. Okay, so give your bot name. Any doubts till now? Let me give bot name customer. Customer bot. Just hit create. Okay. So if you want to add home screen or live agent, or if you want to add an avatar, means you can add it by uploading URL. Okay, let me add an avatar. You have to embed URL here. Okay. So what, instead of Watson assistant, let me give customer bot. Okay, and also uh, you could be able to change the color like responsive. Okay, you can also change background color and then messenger color. Okay, okay, customer bot. Okay, just say hi. Yeah, so we got the correct output here. So let me change this thing. Okay, let me change the header to red, or else okay, brown is fine. And then user message, let me change into yellow. Okay, so as you can see, changes has been saved. Just say hi again. User message is in red color, and then bot message has been changed to pink color. So let me type products here. Bot is typing. Yeah, what kind of product do you want? Bot is asking for product. Oh, let me give laptop. Yeah, so we got the link. Just click on this link. It will get into another page, just Flipkart page. Okay, so this is the preview. Okay, just click on save. Okay guys, we have just now we have created web chat, website bot, customer bot. Just click on this. You can also restart the conversation. Just click on restart conversation. Just say hello or hi. Okay, so for embedding into website, if you want to deploy into your website, means just copy this code. Okay, this is a JavaScript code. Just copy this code. Okay, and make sure to give this code under head tag. Okay, okay, let me tell you. Okay, let me search for notepad. 1 minute. Okay, let me paste this URL here, and then okay, 1 minute. Let me open my Fire Explorer. 1 minute, let me save 1 second. Okay. Bot. Okay, here we go. Just click on open with Google Chrome. Yeah, so this is the icon preview. Just click on this. Yeah, Watson has been started or bot has been started. Just hello, hello. So this is the website bot. The same thing, same conversation, product. Yeah, so finally buy. You can also minimize, okay? If you want to change this icon color means you can do that. It's possible. Okay. Guys, is there any doubts till now? Did you understand how to embed a chatbot code into websites? Guys, kindly reply. Understood? Guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask. I will let you know. Any doubts in embedding chatbot into websites? So if you want to create new website using front end, HTML, CSS, and JS means you can create and then make sure to embed this code and then embed your code under head tag. That is so important. Okay, let me share my experience. Like, guys, any doubts? So you can also connect your agent into all these platforms. Home screen. So this is the home screen. Just say hello or hi. Guys, am I audible? Okay, thank you. Like, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Any doubts in creating chatbot and how to embed into websites? Guys, please reply. No doubts? Okay, guys. So, or if you have any doubts, you can ask tomorrow. So, we'll end the session. So, tomorrow we will be covering RPA hands-on process with real-time use cases like email automation, generation of certification, and then Bot. Okay, chatbot. You can change these things. Yeah, tomorrow. I will explain 3D animation bot tomorrow. Okay, so no doubts in website, no? Website chatbot. I think 5 to 6. I don't know. 1 minute. I think Gravity and Bala will let you know.